Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this Friday from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. We have Southwest 4316 inbound from Denver. Hope everyone's having a good day so far. It's been gorgeous today. So, stay tuned. United Airlines 2033 inbound from Chicago. Spirit Flight 1968. It's an A320 inbound from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Alaska Airlines 216. It's a Boeing 737-900 inbound from Seattle. American Airlines 2336 inbound from Dallas. LJ Aviation Gulfstream Jet inbound from Latrobe. JetBlue Airways 6641 inbound from Boston. I just heard an air show coming along from the shores of Cleveland, downtown Cleveland. So, yeah. United Airlines Flight 2061 inbound from Fort Lauderdale, I believe. We have a heavy jet inbound, FedEx Flight 356, 767 inbound from Memphis, Tennessee. The home of Bass Pro Shops, Pyramid. American Eagle 5077. It's a CRJ 900 inbound from Philadelphia. We have a Trades 1 Aviation Cessna Citation Jet inbound from Saranac Lake. Behind it is our UPS 767 inbound. We have another heavy jet inbound, UPS 5442, another 767. This flight is inbound from Louisville. Frontier Flight 1472. It's an A321neo inbound from Phoenix. A Hawker 800 XP inbound from Atlanta Fulton County Airport. Not the Hartsfield-Jackson one. Frontier Airlines 2920. It's an A320 or A321. I'm not sure. Inbound from Tampa. Got a little bit caught off there. We'll see what it is. That's an A320. Southwest Airlines 450, inbound from Baltimore. Delta Connection 3875, it's an Embraer E175. Inbound from Detroit. A Frontier Airlines 1918 is an A321neo inbound from Denver. Hope you guys enjoying this video so far. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, please. It helps me a lot. Kind of got a late landing there. I did that okay. Another Frontier Airlines. Apparently we're getting loaded up on Frontier Airlines today. Anyways, there's a Frontier 3091, another A321neo inbound from... I forgot. United Express. And this flight is inbound from Washington Dulles Airport?
Yes, Dulles.
Call number is 3048, I believe. United Airlines 621. It's a 737-800 inbound from Denver. And Aer Lingus 87 is a 9 Charlie Kilo. Inbound from Dublin, Ireland. Yeah, Dublin, Ireland. Europe. Delta Connection CRJ 900 5141 inbound from Detroit. United Airlines 737-724 1934 inbound from Houston. We have a Learjet 40 inbound from Macon. Or Macon, whatever. Alright everybody, that is going to do it for today for Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for a new video. And I'll see you next time, guys.